Had a mind-blowing epiphany. Put a wall there and a door. Put a door there. Insulate that wall. Everything else in this room, it's already insulated, as you can see. It's spray foam. It's hot as I'll get out, so we need some airflow, some air conditioning. We already got the air conditioning unit we took out of the house. Stick it in here. Move everything out of here that's not farm related. And we can begin shipping out of that door. This can be our tugboat until our battleship gets out of the harbor. On today's agenda, we'll be building a wall right here from that wooden post to that wooden post right there. That'll be dividing the shop up from our farm store area where we'll start shipping meat from, and we have all of our freezers and packing material over in there. And we are about to put insulation on this wall. On the other side of that wall is the farm shipping area, and this side's our shop. So we're about to insulate that. We are finally shipping our meat within the state of Alabama. This is a huge milestone for us, an accomplishment, something we've been wanting to do since the spring of 2020. It's been 4 years to get here. We've done all the homework we possibly can, talked to farms that currently do it, attended web seminars, presentations, conferences, everything we can possibly do to learn how to ship perishable items. We've done it, and now we're here, we're pulling the trigger. Very blessed and fortunate for you guys to help get us here. It's been a long road. Super excited about we're doing it. So see how it goes. First orders go out Tuesday. So thank you guys. Today is January 24th, 2026. It's been about 2 years since we began shipping out that door, which looks a bit different than the beginning of the video. The reason being is we have turned this shipping area into our farm store. It started out as a monthly farmer's market where other vendors come out, customers come in and shop. That has exploded tremendously. The support has been awesome. Very, very thankful for that. To now we're doing every Friday we're open. Customers come in and shop. This place looks night and day compared to the beginning where we started. We have new lighting, walls that look real nice, the metal. We got our AC for the summer. We got our heat for the winter. Always improving this, trying to make the experience the best possible for our customers. And we look forward to seeing how the years to come, how we grow with y'all's support. Thank you.